Hey guys, today we're going to do the pasta noodle or pasta rocket experiment. So some supplies we'll need are active dry yeast, hydrogen peroxide, a mason jar with a lid, a lighter, and a pasta noodle. So we got the pasta noodle right here, mason jar, hydrogen peroxide, lighter, and the active dry yeast. So first we're going to poke the hole the size of a pasta noodle on the lid. So I already went ahead and did that. A little knife, and it's about the same size as the hole for the pasta noodle. Let's see if it'll sit. It's about that size. Anyway, next we're gonna put some hydrogen peroxide in this mason jar. So I'll go ahead. Oh, just squirted some out. Really, I didn't have that in the shot, but totally just happened. And I'll just go ahead and dump some in there. There you go. You can see some of the water, or some of the hydrogen peroxide I spilled, rather. Then next we're going to mix some yeast in the jar with hydrogen peroxide. I'm not going to do that quite yet just because it'll start the reaction. After we start mixing the yeast in the hydrogen peroxide, I'll put this lid on and I'll go ahead and seal it. During the instruction video it said not to put this on there, although I really want to put this on there just so I can keep recording with my one hand, but I'll do my best doing this all with one hand. Anyway, after you put the lid on and the reaction starts going, I'll put this pasta noodle on here and we'll see here. I'll do a little dry run. That's kind of a pun because it's dry noodles, but here we go. I got it to stand earlier. Let me see if I can get it to stand again. I got a bunch of other noodles right over there, so I might go ahead and try some other noodles if I can't get this to stay on. Oh, I had it. There it goes. So it does stay on there, and I'll get that started when I can. Anyway, after we get the noodle on there, we're gonna ignite it. So I'll take the lighter and we'll light it. So let's get this started. Alrighty. Oh, we almost forgot to take the lid on. There we go. Got that. I'm going to pour a little bit more yeast on there. I really want to get a good reaction, so we'll put as much of a catalyst in there as I can. Put the lid on there. And you can see some of the bubbles start to form. Oh! So lots of bubbles started to form, and this kind of failed. Oh, it went down. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on here, and I'll hold it down. There we go. Look at that reaction. Wow. It's honestly pretty cool. It's a lot more than I thought I was going to get out of there. I'm just going to end this experiment, maybe, just because it's freaking me out right next to my computer. But this is a huge flame. Wow. Trying to get it as far away from my computer as possible, just because it's freaking me out. But yeah, and the noodles all burnt up. Anyway, so what happened? So when we mixed the yeast and the hydrogen peroxide together, it resulted in a decomposition reaction, which turned the hydrogen peroxide into just water and oxygen. So the so the oxygen was getting released into the the environment, the atmosphere, and the oxygen burn up with the noodle in the flame. So that's what caused that crazy little reaction there. So hope you guys had fun. See you next week.